Jambojet is trying to make sense of its own earnings because Law Airline Jambojet intends to introduce new domestic and regional routes following the acquisition of additional aircrafts, bringing its fleet to 8. Now, Jambojet, which currently has 52% market share in the low-cost carrier category, says it will introduce the new routes within the next 2 months as it aims to return to profitability. Jimmy Mbogo reports.
It was all pomp and color at the reception of Jambojet's new aircraft, a Dash 8 Q400 that now pushes the airline's fleet to 8, making it the largest fleet of a low-cost carrier in the country. According to the airline, increasing number of passengers has necessitated the investment, even as they target a 4 to 7% return on investment from the new craft.
Pre-COVID, we always used to be between 4% and 6%. Ours is how do we get to the net profit back to that range. If we can get to the 7%, that will be good. But at least this year, ours is to make sure that we are reliable. That's why we have the new equipment and reliability, and then pushing us back to profitability.
Karanja further says that the leasing of the new aircraft will help the airline surpass its target of ferrying 1.2 million customers by the end of the year. Now, the move is aimed at dealing with the carrier's capacity challenges, which has seen customers miss out on booking on peak days and opting for other low-cost carriers.
What we have constantly seen is that quite a number of routes, especially on key days like Friday, Sunday, Monday, Saturday, we are literally full. If you don't book Mombasa, Malindi, Kisumu, Eldoret for Friday and Sunday 2 days before, you hardly get a seat.
Additionally, the airline's lease, which is an operational lease, will be in place for the next 10 years and will see the airline make monthly payments to service the lease. The payments will, however, vary based on the use of the aircraft, with Jambojet projecting higher repayments during the initial phases owing to low maintenance costs.
The amounts that you have to pay on a monthly basis over the next 10 years. Okay. So that is an agreement that we have in place. It varies depending on the equipment. You can tell these are new equipment, so definitely the leases will be slightly higher because also the maintenance costs are lower during the first years.
Although the new aircraft is set to largely operate within the existing routes, Jambojet intends to introduce new routes while increasing frequencies on the high traffic routes of Eldoret, Kisumu, Mombasa and Malindi. Jimmy Mbogo, KTN News.
Said to